po na si Mark Joshua.
Till you're in my arms and there, oh my darling, I will never
Okay, palakpan po lang si Mark Joshua Sago.
Dito mo paharapin. Dito mo paharapin.
Our next in the line, we will call on Edward Dian Dionisio.
and too soon we had to part in that wonderful
Third roses, we will call on Winston Oliver Candelosas.
so I
Candelosas.
till you in my arms and there, oh my darling, I will never change partners again.
Next roses, let's go on Cedric Crisostomo.
We will walk together.
Palakpan po natin si Cedric Crisostomo.
When they called out to change partners
Dito mo paharapin. Dito mo paharapin. Dito mo paharapin.
away from me.
Hindi, pag tagilid mo ganun. Dahil, pag tagilid ganun, tagilid mo.
Fifth roses,
As I
let's go on Art Nicole Borja. Palakpan po natin si Art Nicole.
keep changing
Yan, dahil pag ganyan, yan, pag ganyan, pag ganyan, yan.
till I and too soon we had to part in that wonder.
Next roses, let's go on James Ivan Velarde.
Into my heart, so I keep changing partners till you're in my arms and there. Oh my darling, I will never change partners.
Okay. Next roses, let's go on Ruben Angelo Saporne. Last but not the least, palakpakan po natin ang kanyang minamahal na daddy. Palakpakan natin, Jesse Sagum. Yan po ang kanyang mahal na daddy. Palakpakan po natin si Mr. Jesse Sagum.
We danced for one moment, and too soon we had to part in that wonderful moment.
Okay, palakpakan po natin si Daddy Jesse. Palakpakan. Kiss o Daddy Gustav?